Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you a lot of activities and all are related to our hairstyles. We are going to show you how we will create different hairdos in just few easy simple steps. All you just have to do is you just have to stay tuned. You just have to watch each step perfectly. These hairstyles are very easy and everyone can perform them at their home like we have made this one. It's inspired from the braids that we usually make. This hairstyle is best suitable for the medium length hair. As you can see, it looks so perfect and it looks so nice. Just give it a try. Let's move further with our another hairdo. Here I'm taking the upper portion of my hair and I'm just tying it up using a rubber band, as you can see. Once you have done with this, now take some more portion of the hair from the downwards direction and then you just have to tie it up again, making use of the rubber band. See how I am doing this, you just have to repeat it. Then you may require a fancy rubber band. I have here used this black fancy organza rubber band and I'm just tying up my rest of the hair. First I am just converting it into a braid and then I'm going to tie it up with the fancy rubber band. This hairstyle is very simple and it's very easy. It may take some of your time, but our look will be so elegant at the end. See how it turns to be at the end. Isn't it so beautiful? Just have a look. You can just tie it up for any party or any other occasion. Let's proceed with another hairdo. Here I am taking some of my hair from the left side and then I am going to make a fishtail starting from the front portion of the hair till the end. Actually, we are going to show you a unique hair bun hairstyle and you might be thinking that we are going to keep the hair open or we are going to make any ponytail. Yes, we have to make a ponytail first, but then we will just convert it into a bun. This hairstyle is very easy and it's best suitable for everyone, for college going girls, for casual hair looks, whatnot. You may require a fancy rubber band for this type of the look. Just give it a try. It looks so cool and it looks so nice. Next, we will try to make another hairstyle. For this, you just have to make a high ponytail. Once you have made a high ponytail, then you just have to take some section of the hair and you just have to convert it into a cute little braid. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused at any particular step. You just have to follow each step in a sequential manner and see how it turns to be at the end. Once we are done with the braid that we are making on our ponytail, you just have to tie it up like I will be doing here, just making a fold first and you just have to give it an inward twist and then you just have to tie it up using a pin. You can make use of the rubber band also, then you can decorate it with a fancy pin. We will now try for our another hair look. We are going to make a Barbie inspired hairstyle. This hairstyle is best suitable for the long length hair or even the medium length hair. First you just have to make a ponytail, then you just have to convert it into a braid like I am doing here. Now you just have to take some of the hair from the two sections, that's from the left and the right. You just have to make a loose braid and then you just have to tie it up, as you can see. Once you are done with this thing, you just have to give it an inward twist so that it looks so nice and perfect. Now you just have to tie both the sides of the strands together and then decorate it with this pin. Thank you for watching our videos.